Were you able to accomplish the things that were important to you in the previous year or quarter? Did you find yourself with a lack of motivation, direction, and action? If you can relate to these questions, then you may want to watch the rest of this video. I created the Mindset Planner to help you focus and accomplish what is truly meaningful in your life. First, I want to share with you why I started the Mindset Planner. After buying countless planners and agendas, I came to the realization that it's not enough to plan. There was a disconnect that a basic planner was not resolving. Somehow, I lost connection to myself and the plans that I was making did not resonate with me. Additionally, I did not have a system that allowed me to stay focused and committed. I felt a separation from my goals to my action. Plus, I had a lack of motivation and procrastinated often. I realized that my mindset was affecting my ability to create plans I love. Since I did not love my goals, I was not sticking to them. This is why I created the Mindset Planner. If you watch my monthly lineup videos, you probably recall this disc-bound notebook. This is where I created the prototype of the planner. Even though it helped me to have a more productive quarter, it was not ready for market yet. So I worked on it and perfected it so I can bring it to you. The Mindset Planner starts with some questions to see your baseline. Where are you mentally? Where are you at in your goals? Are you happy? Once this baseline is set, you then move on to establish what is important to you. This is done through journaling. Once you have journaled and made a connection with yourself, you are then ready to start setting goals. You are guided to setting goals and creating an action plan. This comes with a tracker so that you can keep track of your progress. Since starting the Mindset Planner, my productivity has increased. I am able to look back and feel optimistic about my choices. Even though I'm still a work in progress, I feel that I'm living from a place of authenticity and look forward to each quarter to create new goals. If you struggle with procrastination and identifying what is important to you, then this planner is for you. It helps you get started in creating a life that reflects your innermost intentions. There are not a lot of things that we can control, but we can control how we feel on the inside, and this has a huge effect on our outside world. This is not a new concept. How we feel on the inside is based on the choices that we make on a continuous basis. If we keep on procrastinating and not living from our heart center, then the distance between feeling good and not feeling good is greater. I would really love for you to try out this planner. It is available in my Etsy shop. It's a great tool that I use myself to stay motivated every month, every year, and able to really make plans that resonate with me and make me feel happy. So this completes the overview of the Mindset Planner. If you need support this year in getting things done or just getting motivated, this planner is available in my Etsy store. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. And also please leave a like and subscribe. I really love sharing this information with you. And remember, always follow your heart. It knows the way.